So now we'll be starting with Puppet Master and the client. I have two machines here. One is the Puppet Master and the second is the Puppet client. The Puppet Master has got almost 40 GB RAM and 40 CPUs, which I can show you here. Because the Ruby on Rails application, it requires a lot of CPU and RAM. For the client, I don't need that much RAM and CPU, so I have allotted 1 GB RAM and 1 CPU. I will start both of these machines and find out the addresses. Right click, and we'll start. Both of these machines are starting up. The Puppet client is started up. And first thing I'll do is log in using root and Red Hat password, and then I'll change the hostname. So I'll say vim etc hostname. This will open a hostname file in a text editor, which is vim. And we'll do vd, which will delete that existing hostname. And then press I for insert mode and finally I'll type the client, which will be the hosting of this machine. I'll save this file doing escape, semicolon, WQ, exclamation mark. And I'll reboot the machine. Similarly, going through the Puppet Master, I'll say root Red Hat. I'll hosting file. Say vd, and I'll say Puppet Master. I'll save this file and reboot the machine for hosting change to take effect. Hosting change does not take effect unless you reboot the machine. Now both these machines are ready. I'm going to find out the IPs and use the map terminal to log into these. So this is 23 and 21. So 23 is my server and 21 is my client. I'll SSH 23 first. Now in order for Puppet Master to be installed, I need a fully qualified domain name here, and fake DNS, which means a fully resolvable DNS name. So by the hostname here, you see my hostname is Puppet Master. In order to set up fake DNS, I need to go to the EC host file, go to the end, then I say IP address, hostname local, then space hostname. Now this is another technique which means the Linux server believes that there's a fully qualified domain name on this machine. I'll save this. Then I go hostname -f. You see it has a fully qualified domain name now. So now we'll be downloading the Puppet Labs repository for Ubuntu 16.04, which is Daniel. So I'll say curl -0 https://puppelabs.com/puppelabs-release -pc1-daniel.dev. You can see there's a Debian file which has been downloaded here. I will import this using the dpkg command. So I'll say dpkg-i puppelabs-release-pc1-daniel.dev. And then I'll say apt update, which will update my app package index on this machine. And now I'll install Puppet server. So I'll say apt install puppet server-y. So the Puppet server is now installed, and we will be configuring the memory allocation for the Puppet server. So I'll say set to the default Puppet server. So by default, it has only, I've got 2 GB allocated. We'll get 3 GB because it's JVM. I'll make this 3, and I'll change this to 3 as well. And I'll save this file. I'll make sure the unconfigured firewall allows port 814, which is the Puppet server port. Rules and updates to allow that. I'll now start the Puppet server. So I'll say systemctl, start Puppet server. It takes a time because it's JVM, so it takes a couple of minutes to start the Puppet server. So the Puppet server is now running. I'll also enable it at boot time. So I'll say systemctl, enable Puppet server. It will enable at boot time. Now I also need to configure a fully qualified domain name here. So, okay, so I'll do that by going into the hosts file. I'll go to the end, and I'll say 192.168.1.23, and then Puppet-server.local, and then Puppet-server. If I do a hostname, I have an F. Puppet-master.local, because the current hostname is Puppet-master. So the trick is to have the hostname.local in front of the IP address in the host file. Having a fully qualified domain name now we will go to the client setup. The client setup is almost the same, with this small difference. The package which we need to install on client is Puppet Agent, so we will go to the client. So you see this is my hostname. Now we also need to set up the fake DNS here, so I'll copy this hostname, open the host line, go to the end, write the IP address, and then .local, and then hostname again. So this will be a fully qualified domain name. So when I do a hostname, it says Puppet client. When I do a hostname, I have F, it says Puppet client local. To install the Puppet Agent on this machine, I'll need to download this Daniel package. So I'll say to get https://puppelabs.com/puppelabs-release-pc1-daniel.dev. I'll download this, and then I'll say dpkg-i puppelabs-release-pc1-daniel.dev. So this is the repository package which I'm downloading here, and I'll say apt-get update-y. This will update my app caches on this machine. And now I'll finally install the Puppet Agent. So I'll say apt-get install Puppet Agent-y. Now the Puppet Agent is here. I'll start the Puppet Agent, and I'll enable it at boot time. So I'll say system control, start Puppet, then system control, enable Puppet. Now Puppet is enabled. Now we have set up a full qualified domain name on the client and the server. These know each other, so we'll have to do a cross certificate host mapping. So we'll be copying the host file entry of the client and adding it to the server. So I'll go to the EC host on the server side. Go to the end, paste it there. Okay, and I'll be adding the entry of master on the client side. Okay, now both the servers will recognize each other now because one of them has the host entry of the other. So if I do from the master ping puppet-agent.local, if I ping the agent from the server, -client.local is able to ping it. And if I ping the master from the client, if I say ping puppet-master.local, both of them will be able to ping together. So next step will be to create a certificate signing request. So I'll go to my this directory, which is opt.puppet-labs-puppet-bin. And I'll say puppet-agent-t-server is equal to, and I'll get a fully qualified domain name of the Puppet Master. And I'll say -f. When I do this, it will create a certificate signing request, you see. Now if I go to the server and I do an opt, I'll check the certificate for pending to be signed. You see there's a client certificate which is pending to be signed, which is denoted by the absence of a plus sign here. I'll sign the certificate, so I'll say Puppet sign and then the name, so Puppet-client.local. This will sign certificates. When I go to the server on the client side, if I run Puppet Agent again, you see it's actually pointing down the catalog as of now it has an empty catalog. That says there's nothing. Now we have configured Puppet Agent and the master. Now we'll be taking a module from Puppet Forward. Puppet Forward is a big collection of open source modules which are used. As the first step, we'll be using a ready-made module. Now we'll be demonstrating how to actually get up and running with a module. So search for Apache module here. This is the Puppet Labs Apache module. I'm using Puppet command line, Puppet module install. This is the command for that. But I will make sure I run this command from the Puppet home. So I'll go to master, I'll go to etc Puppet Labs, go to environments, production, in this modules. Now I will run it from the binary, which is Puppet Labs bin Puppet. And then module install, Puppet Labs Apache, and then this version. So we're going to find the latest version. And I'll hit enter. And I press enter, it starts downloading from the Forward API. So you see the modules downloaded in addition to the benefits, so there's Tomcat, XCLib, and Apache. So now I'll go to a folder here, which is one level called manifest. So this is the file here, etc Puppet Labs code environments production manifest. So in this, there's a file we've created called sites.pb. The site.pb will specify, and this is the main controller how the infrastructure looks. In the site.pb, I specify that I want Puppet client.local node to have the Apache module included. I'll save this file, and the only thing I need to do now is, since all is set on the server side, I need to go to the client side and run Puppet Agent. We'll automatically download the Apache module, compile it, and make sure the server is in a state. So when I press enter, we see a live output, and tries to configure Apache on this machine, and done. Now I go to the front end of this machine, on this port, I should be able to see Apache's default page. So this is Apache's default page. So the module we can download from Forward was actually written in a way that Apache would be installed in my boot time. So that's why it's running here. And that is all we have from the Puppet module. And this concludes the demo. Thanks a lot for your time. Have a nice day.